How to start affiliate marketing without money and without any prior experience. Hi, my name is Sebastian, and in this video I show you how to make money online with affiliate marketing. And don't worry, you don't need a website or any money to start. All of the tools I show you are free to use and you can start without any investment. But before I get started, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications, because I post videos like this showing you how to make money online and you don't want to miss them. So let's get started. So here is what we're going over in today's video. First, what is affiliate marketing? Second, where to find products. Third, how to get your product links. Then where and how to promote your product. And the last step is the best traffic source at the moment. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply said promoting other people's product for a part of the sale, your commission. If someone buys your product through your link, you get money. You see, it's a really simple business model and it works worldwide. Today I show you two different options on where to get your products. First, Digistore24. You can register for free, just go through the sign up process and you can join Digistore24 from almost every country in the world. When you finish the sign up process, go to the Digistore marketplace. Here you find some products you can promote. At the moment they have over 350 products you can choose from. Choose a category. I take email marketing for an example, and here they have the perpetual income. You get 50% commissions, that's about 15 euros. Check out the sales page and the affiliate support page for more information. If you want to promote the product on Digistore, just click promote now and you have your link. With this link, Digistore can track back the sale to you and you get your commission. So we leave that open for now for one of the next steps. Another site where you can find products to promote is Amazon. Everybody knows this company, but not everybody knows that you can become an affiliate. Just scroll down to the bottom. There is this become an affiliate, sign up, go through the sign up process. You have to enter your website at one point, but don't worry, we cover that in the next step. When you signed up, click on product links, and you will get to this page. And just search a product you like to promote. In our example, we take the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Just search products, you can choose whatever you like and click over here to get link. Now you can choose if you want text and image. We take text only and we take the short link. In this link there's also your affiliate ID, and Amazon knows that they have to pay you if you refer a sale. So let's go to step number 2, your website. You need a site where you can promote your product. We take beacons.ai. They have a free version that's more than enough for our purpose. Just sign up, go through the sign up process. Wait till it's finished. Education. Select your template. Just click on skip. Now that you have your own Beacons page, you can put in your links. As an example, we took the Rich Dad Poor Dad. Just put in your information, copy the link over here, Beacons, and put it in. We don't use this one. You can delete it, and we put in a new link. The title, we took perpetual income. First we copy this link and put it over here, then we go back, copy and paste, and now we have our links over here. You can put in more information, you can put in more links, you can put in other products. Just search and choose what you like. And now we have our own website. You can use this for the sign up process of Amazon. Just put in this URL. Now we have our page and our affiliate links. Now we need a place to promote them. One of the hottest opportunities right at the moment is TikTok. TikTok is growing fast. It's easy to get views on TikTok, and you can put in your own link if you have over 1,000 followers. If you don't want to show your face on TikTok, you could make a channel like this, just pictures. That would be great for our program, the Perpetual Income. just put in some pictures, how to get money, rules of money, and make 7 to 13 second videos. Even if you don't have this much followers, you can get a lot of views on TikTok. TikTok is my favorite traffic source at the moment because TikToks are easy to make, they don't need a lot of time, just short videos and you get a lot of views. Now you know how to start affiliate marketing with no money and even without a website. If you got value from this video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification and write a comment on what you think was the most helpful. And don't forget to watch the other videos, especially this one which YouTube is recommending.